Welcome back to NUNET. Today, we're bringing a new experience with the versatile NUNET LED floor lamp with shelves. If you're looking for a stylish, multifunctional lamp that saves space, adds light, and enhances your room's decor, then this might be exactly what you need. This floor lamp combines function with style. It's not just a light, it's a 3-layer organizer too. With 3 sturdy, high-density fiberboard shelves, it's designed to hold up to 50 pounds, so you can display books, plants, photo frames, and more. Plus, the lamp itself is built on a heavy base, making it stable enough for busy spaces. The modern black finish and simple, square design fit well with almost any room style, making it a great choice for your living room, bedroom, or even an office corner. Setting up the NUNET floor lamp is quick and easy. It comes with a detailed manual, and with only 15 minutes of assembly time, you're good to go. Thanks to its straightforward design and easy-to-follow instructions, it's a hassle-free setup that doesn't require any special tools. The lampshade is crafted from a high-quality fabric that provides a soft, anti-glare light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. And this isn't just any ordinary lamp. It's equipped with a 9W LED bulb and a pull-chain switch, giving you control over 3 different color temperatures: warm white, cool white, and daylight. This allows you to tailor the lighting to fit different situations: warm for a cozy evening, cool white for reading, or daylight for bright, clear illumination. Another fantastic feature is its built-in power options. The lamp includes 2 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, which means you can charge your devices, plug in small electronics, or even power an additional light or fan without needing an extra outlet nearby. It's perfect for those who want a clean, organized setup without cluttered cables. NUNET also includes an acrylic photo frame with this lamp, perfect for personalizing your new space saver by displaying a favorite memory or special photo. It's a small but thoughtful touch that adds a little something extra to the experience. This lamp is a versatile pick for anyone who wants a multifunctional light with a built-in organizer. Ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or any space where you want to add a touch of style, storage, and convenient lighting, it's a perfect match for students, busy households, or anyone in need of an efficient, stylish setup. So if you're looking to elevate your space with both function and style, the NUNET LED floor lamp with shelves is a fantastic choice. For more details, check out the link below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.